Itachi Uchiha. The name alone evokes a sense of mystery, tragedy, and power. He was a figure draped in shadow, a man whose every move seemed like it was part of a far reaching plan. But let's take a step back. Let me tell you a story not just of the man, but of the Uchiha clan and the choices that would ripple through generations. Atachi was just a boy when he was given his first taste of the true nature of the world. The Uchiha clan, once revered as the mightiest of the hidden leaf village, had grown disillusioned. Power, politics, and ambition were their currency. Atachi, though young, could see it clearly. His father, Fugaku Uchiha, was the head of the clan, a man who believed the Uchiha were the rightful rulers of the village. He dreamt of throwing the hawkish and taking control. But Atachi? He saw the potential for something different. He was a prodigy, his Sharingan awaking earlier than most, his talent with ninjutsu almost unmatched. Yet it was his mind, sharp and calculating, that set him apart. Atachi wasn't swayed by power. He saw the fragility of it, the inevitable collapse that would come if the clan pursued war. One night, his world changed forever. The elders of the Hidden Leaf, wary of the growing power of the Uchiha, decided that the only way to protect the village was to eliminate the threat before it could even be realized. A cup titan was on the horizon, and the Uchiha were marching toward it. Atachi was given an impossible choice: stop the cop and prevent war, or stand with his clan and watch the village burn. What would you do in his shoes? The pressure, the duty, the weight of his family and village pulling him in two directions. In the end, Atachi made the decision. He chose the village, but not without paying a price. He would kill everyone he loved, everyone he grew up with, to protect the future. That night, Atachi stood in the midst of the Uchiha compound, the blood of his own family staining his hands. His little brother, Sasuke, was the only one spared. Atachi told Sasuke that one day he would be strong enough to avenge their clan. He left Sasuke to hate him, to grow with a burning desire for revenge. It was a cruel choice, but it was a choice that could ensure peace. However, peace was never really the goal of the past to that be. Atachi's actions were seen as the betrayal of the Uchiha, and he was branded a traitor. He became an outcast, joining the infamous Akatsuki, a group of rogue ninjas, and playing a dangerous game of deception. All the while, he kept his true motives hidden, a secret even from his closest allies. Years passed and Sasuke grew, his hatred for Itachi driving him forward, making him stronger with each passing day. The day would come when Sasuke would face his brother, but what Sasuke didn't know was that Itachi's health was failing him. He had been ill for a long time, his body slowly deteriorating, poisoned by the very people he had once served. Atachi's death was imminent, but he wasn't ready to die. Not yet. When Sasuke and Itachi finally clashed, the battle was brutal, but Itachi didn't fight to win. He fought to make Sasuke strong, to force him to confront the darkness within himself. Every move, every word was designed to push Sasuke further, to test him. In the end, Itachi fell, but not before revealing the truth. He had never betrayed the Uchiha. He had sacrificed everything to protect the village, to protect Sasuke, and to ensure that the Uchiha bloodline would live on through the very hatred that Sasuke would carry with him. Atachi's final words were simple but profound. Forgive me, Sasuke. I always loved you. The words echoed in the silence of the battlefield, and Sasuke, overwhelmed by grief and confusion, finally understood. His brother hadn't been his enemy, he had been the one who had carried the heaviest burden of all. But the story didn't end there. Sasuke's anger, his thirst for revenge. Hope you liked this drawing and story. Comment which cartoon you want to see in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.